Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi Poco M6 Pro and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu. We must go to our calendar application right there. And where we are on it, we press this icon and monthly to be easily to add. And now we press day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of our January. And when we press it, we tap on the plus icon and the event. There we can add our title of events, when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Repost our event every day, every week, what you want. We can add people, add video conference to event, location of that. Notification, and we can change color which we see in our calendar, description and attachment. It is easily to add. We press there and you can write something what you want. And after that we click save and we have it in our calendar right there. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.